Good night, teacher Osvaldo Vides. My name is Cesar Ricardo Marin Rodriguez. I am from Bogotá, Colombia. I am 48 years old. I work in the Personería Distrital de Bogotá. I have 3 children. The name of my eldest son is Daniel Marin Rodriguez. He is 11 years old. He is in 5th grade. The middle one is Amidael Marin Rodriguez. He is 9 years old. He is in 4th grade. The last one is Saliad Marin Rodriguez. He is 7 years old. He is in 2nd grade. My wife is Judy Antonia Rodriguez Gutierrez. She is a housewife. She is 41 years old. We live in San Mateo, Soacha, in a house of 3 floors. I have a black Volkswagen car. I am studying sociology in the UNAD, Universidad Abierta y a Distancia. My favorite class is Latin American Sociology. On Sundays, I ride bicycle with all my family. My favorite food is fried chicken. I like to watch TV and movies. My favorite movies are not The Perfume and Hannibal. Thank you very much. Goodbye, teacher.